Hello everyone, welcome back to Solid Design. Today we are going to see exercise 3 from advanced sketching, and all dimensions are millimeter for the given sketch, and there are two circles and with a circular sketch pattern, and there are three pairs of circles in the below, and we will see we are able to see some dimensions. All right, so let's begin. All the dimensions are in millimeter. Yes, it is mmgs, and I'll start with the front plane. All right, so center lines, there are two horizontal center lines, and there are three vertical center lines, 1 2 3. All right, sketch. So let me draw the vertical lines first. Center line, okay, and I will draw one horizontal line as well, then 1 and 2, and there are dimensions available. The vertical distance 65, and horizontal distance we have 110, and also we forgot to draw one line, horizontal center line. So the distance between these two center lines is going to be 65. All right, and the horizontal distance from here to here, it is going to be 110. Okay, but it is not equally divided with respect to the y-axis, so I will make equally divided by introducing symmetry relation. Just select on this ball 1 2 and this axis line. So when you click, you will be able to see make symmetry. It looks like a small square box. Just click on that. So now the length is equally divided with respect to the y-axis. All right, so I'll start with the big circle on the top. So this is going to be your center, 1 and 2. All right, so make the dimension as well. So the outer circle is 31 and inner circle is R31, inner circle is R20. So we need to multiply with 2, since it is given in terms of radius, convert into diameter. So the outer diameter is 62, so which means 31 times 2. All right, and the inner circle is R20, so it is going to be 40 as diameter. All right, then there are circles left. We'll see little later. Let me focus on the pattern, circular sketch pattern. So for that, I'm gonna draw two circles, or one, or you can use center point arc also. Let me try with the center point arc. So 1, I repeat, center point arc. This is my center, 1 2. All right, so small dimension, the arc dimension is R8, so it is given R8 here, so it is going to be R8 8. The inner diameter for the small hole is R4, 6 times R4. So there are 6 elements are there, so that's why it is specified as 6 holes. So R8, so the diameter is going to be 8. R4 is radius, so diameter is 8. All right, so it is done. So make trim, done. Just make a zoom a bit so that you will be able to do it easily. I think, yeah, make dimension for the outer circle soon after your thing 31 as radius. So, before we have given in terms of diameter. So, once you remove this element, so this outer circle is converted as arc. So, when you have arc, dimension will be given in terms of radius. So, it has it by default it is showing 31, since it is given 62 as diameter, it is showing 31 by default. Tick OK. And still it is blue color. How can I check? Let me see, and this make coincident. Yes, done. I am making one more time coincident. I repeat. So, now it is blue color, the circular element. Just select the arc, outer arc, and the inner center of the small circle and make it coincident. All right, then go for the circular sketch pattern. The pattern should be repeated. So, click on this arc and this inner circle. You can see now there are 4 elements copied now. See, by default it is showing 4 here. So, that is why we are able to see 4, and change to the required element pattern is 6. So, change 4 to 6, enter. Then they did not specify anything about the spacing between one pattern to other pattern. So, it is considered to be equal spacing. So, by default you can have equal spacing. That is it. Tick OK. Okay. Now, it is blue color now. So, make coincident, select this center of the small circle and outside arc, make coincident on the top and one in the bottom. The same, repeat the procedure, center and outer arc and make coincidence. So, now you can see fully black. So, now you can initiate the trimming, just remove the things which are not required. All right, and similarly here as well, and tuck and left with 2 more and the last one. So, that is it. Yeah, now it is fully defined, and tick OK. If you want, you can pull little bit. So, now the top portion is completed, and the bottom we have circles. Let us see the circle which has 3 holes or 15 outer circle, and the inner circle has 3 holes or 10. So, all 3 pairs of circles are same dimension. So, that is the meaning actually, right. So, go to circle 1, 2, and also here just make carefully, or you can introduce pointer to locate the center. All right. So, now outside is R15. So, make smart dimension. So, the diameter is going to be 30, and the inner diameter is going to be R10. So, it is going to be 20 as diameter. Okay. So, make equal relationship. Here also you can make one more circle, but before I just wanted to introduce equal relationship. Outer circle and press Ctrl and select this outer circle, make equal. Just zoom a bit, you will be able to see. So, it is very tough. Inner and inner equal, okay, and outer equal, okay, and still it is blue color, it must be converted. Let me check. I will introduce this as coincident. Okay, then I will introduce same point with vertical axis, coincident. Yeah, it's done. Just make coincident relationship. So, it comes only by practice. So, you will have to figure out. So, roughly you will be able to draw. two circles based on the vertical axis. Just make equal relation, exit from small dimension, select inner circles, before, yeah, select inner circles, make equal, select outer circle and make equal. Alright, so you can pull the axis little more, and now we need to draw this bottom arc. So for that, what I can do, you can go for center point arc, it is better choice. So use the center here and somewhere here, and I think it is better to go with circle, so I'll go with a circle. Okay, go with circle, make tangent relation. Okay, because we does not have radius value, so go for tangent. So make this circle and this circle and tangent. Okay, then this one and this one, make it tangent. Oh, it is going opposite way, so I will do tangent first this circle. Okay, tangent, yeah, and I will make tangent for this circle. Yeah, now it's done. That's it. Go for trim entity, just trim which are not required carefully, just zoom it and delete them carefully. So that's it, and we have left with this line and the arc. So just randomly you can start the line from here, just randomly you just pick a line. Okay, then go for arcs, center point arcs. Yeah, you can specify the center for the arc, and you can, yeah, you can stop like this and make small dimension. It is going to be 18. Okay, then you can exit small dimension, you just bring it, you can drag, see here I can drag here and there, just drag it and connect it here in the point, and introduce one more relationship here. Of course, as you know, line and arcs are involved, so make tangent. That's it. So now I'm going to do mirror on the other side. So select this line and this line, sorry, make mirror entities, one, press Ctrl and select the arc, then mirror about with the vertical center axis. See, you can see the preview of this, and tick OK. Alright, now it is fully defined. So I think we have done for the advanced level sketchings.